Hello folks, welcome to anyone who's new to the channel, and welcome back to anyone who's come back to enjoy one of my videos. I appreciate that very much. And we'll get started with this 1964 Maxi Taxi, listed for $9,500 US in Galveston, Texas. It's been driven 7,000 miles and has a manual transmission. From the seller's description, 1964 Maxi Taxi, runs awesome, daily driver, top is removable, have the full window kit, stick shift, disc front brakes. Alright, up next we have the 2017 Factory 5 818, listed for $24,000 US in St. Louis, Missouri. It is a manual transmission, and from the seller's description, 2017 Factory 5 818 kit car, uses drivetrain from a WRX Impreza, fully street legal. Okay, here we have a Bremen Sebring, listed for $10,000 US in Nashville, Tennessee. Its condition is listed as new, and from the seller's description, one-of-a-kind Bremen Sebring kit car, custom fiberglass body, VW chassis, 1941cc Volkswagen engine, runs but needs work, transmission is good, less than 5,000 miles total on the build. And up next we have this 1967 AC Cobra, listed for $44,900 US in Johnson City, Tennessee. It's been driven 20,000 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, 1967 AC Cobra kit car, built on a custom chassis with a G5 Corvette Z06 engine, or Z06 if you're in the States, 6-speed trans. It's fast and fun. Alright, here we have a 2015 JZR Beetleback, listed for $16,000 US in Bloomington, Illinois. From the seller's description, built by John Zimba, the creator of Morgan Replicas. This is the last one made, approximately 1,400 miles, 5-speed transmission, no reverse, Honda water-cooled CX500 engine, Illinois title. Hey everyone, I just want to interject for 30 seconds here. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Alright, let's get back to the vehicles. Okay, here we have a 1955 Porsche 550 Spider, listed for $139,550 US in Sheridan, Indiana. It has a manual transmission, listed in excellent condition, and has a clean title. From the seller's description, one of one 1955 Beck Porsche 550 Spider, 21,000 miles shown, custom wide body build, copper detailed 1915cc flat 4 with a freeway flyer 4-speed. And here we have a 1923 Ford T-Bucket, listed for $25,500 Canadian in Clarington, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used like new, and from the seller's description. Absolutely incredible custom car, 355 Chevy engine, approximately 2,000 miles driven since build, Ford 9-inch rear end, turbo 350 transmission, B&M ratchet shifter, wheelie bar, fenders included with the purchase, appraised at $35,000, no trades. Okay, we're going to stay north of the border for a moment here. This is a 1961 Austin Sebring replica, listed for $28,900 Canadian in South Bruce Peninsula, Ontario. Its condition is listed as used good, and from the seller's description. 5-liter Ford, fuel injection, automatic transmission, 8.8 Ford Posi rear end, Mustang suspension, fiberglass body, recently built from a classic motor carriage chassis and body kit. There is a top, but it's never been used. Okay, a second Porsche for today. This is a 1958 Porsche 356 Speedster, listed for $27,500 US in Chesapeake, Virginia. It's been driven 8,637 miles, has a manual transmission, and a clean title. From the seller's description, wide body replica of a Porsche 356 Speedster on a shortened VW chassis, comes with extra set of 14-inch wheels, windshield glass, and a rare Speedster whaletail, 1640 engine, titled as 1988 Special Construction. And bringing up the rear, we have this 1985 Lamborghini Countach Project, listed for $2,000 US in Monticello, Arizona. It has an automatic transmission, and from the seller's description, Pontiac Fiero V6 with Lamborghini fiberglass body, not running but makes a good yard ornament, has a set of very rare Centerline Champ 500 wheels, no title, bill of sale only, $2,000 or best offer. Okay, so that's it for today's vehicles. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are enjoying my content, please consider becoming a channel member by clicking the join button below or using the link in the channel details below the video. For about the price of a cup of coffee per month, you'll not only be helping me produce these videos, but you'll have access to each and every video before they go live on YouTube, usually around 24 hours ahead of the videos going live. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.